Hey guys, welcome to another video today. We're going to be showing how the Marble Vending Machine works. But it's changed since last time. Last time we used to have one hole. Now there's two holes, one for the reject coins and one for the marble. There's also a little bit of tips here so that you could easily just put some coins in and nothing does anything. Nice tips. So it still works the same. Pennies go in here, gets rejected, nickels, it also gets rejected, dimes also get rejected, but remember these lucky quarters help you get that marble. But how does it work? Here it is. So here is, let me just reload this for a second. Okay, so up here we have, there's like a hole here, and that hole helps like sort where the coins go. Like right here, you open it up, you can see. Wait, let me try doing this. Try that. Then, as you can see the sorting machine. So, pennies fall down, nickels fall down, and dimes fall down. But quarters get passed like this. So when that happens, there's a lever waiting at the bottom. So when the quarter comes down here, falls down to a shoe, and it hits the lever. Then as you can see down here, I'll try this for a second. You can see up over there, that's the other side where the marble goes. So when this lever gets hit by the quarter, like that, it will release the marble into the outside. Hope you can get your things. And also the tips over here, they just work simple. Like they go down a ramp, as you can see. Boom. And then at the end you can just collect them. But yeah. So the quarter goes down, hits the lever.
Put in the quarter again. Put in the quarter again.
Okay. Like that. And it helps you get that lovely marble. Leave a like and subscribe to Audie Vlogs I.